Locks have reached unprecedented popularity, and so many people are choosing to start their lock journeys. And now, you can too. Introducing Macon Styles Heritage Collection Lock Bundles. Heritage Collection Lock Bundles are natural-looking locks that are handcrafted from 100% human hair by MsS&x.com. Each bundle is custom made from scratch to satisfy your particular style and preferences. We don't use donor locks, so there's no bad vibes, lint, or product buildup. We've crafted thousands of locks since 2014, establishing us as the trusted source for handcrafted locks. Heritage lock bundles have changed the game. No more waiting to achieve your lock goals. Now you can get locks that look naturally grown from day one. Heritage lock bundles are 5-star rated and recommended by locticians and customers worldwide to add length, start a new set, add accent locks, and so much more. Busy stylists love Heritage lock bundles because they're free to focus on booking appointments instead of making locks. Not only are we your go-to provider for handcrafted locks, but we also specialize in installation. There are several methods of installation, so you can opt for temporary or permanent wear that can last for years with proper maintenance. So make your lock dreams a reality. Choose from 4 different sizes, a variety of colors, and lengths up to 40 inches long. There are 10 locks in each bundle, and pricing starts at $40 per bundle for our shortest length. You can customize your lock journey in a few easy steps. Visit MaconStyles.com, click on the product located under Featured Product on the homepage, select your desired color, size, length, and bundle quantity, add to cart, and follow the checkout steps. Achieve your lock goals now with Heritage Collection Lock Bundles by MaconStyles.com. Order your bundles today.